Just like there are proven effective learning strategies for your students, there are proven effective strategies for better health outcomes for youth. While prevention science has not been around as long as biology or physics, it too uses sound scientific principles. In this video, we'll discuss the foundations of prevention science, specifically the public health approach. We'll cover the continuum of public health programs from promotion and prevention to treatment and maintenance. And finally, we'll take a deeper dive into the variety of prevention programs you're likely to encounter as an educator. The cornerstone of sound prevention science is the public health approach. This approach aims for the greatest impact for the most people and acknowledges that in order to make long-lasting change, we must address the underlying causes or risk factors related to the issue. One example of the public health approach is the response to lung cancer. In the mid-1960s, the medical field started seeing increases in lung cancer, so they began exploring the risk factors that were causing the rates to rise. These risk factors included high rates of smoking, poor air quality, and secondhand smoke. So the next step was to implement interventions to address these causal effects. To reduce smoking, intervention strategies included cessation programs, limiting advertising, and increasing price of tobacco products. After these interventions were implemented, they were evaluated to see how well they worked. Through the scientifically backed application of the public health approach, we have seen decreases in many public health issues, including lung cancer. A variety of programs fall under the umbrella of the public health approach. The Institute of Medicine's intervention spectrum is a useful way to further categorize these programs. This spectrum extends from promotion and prevention, which seek to stop problems before they start, onto treatment and maintenance, which work to address problems after they've been identified. In the school setting, you'll most often be exposed to promotion and prevention programs. Health promotion programs help people to increase control over their own health. Some examples include building healthy public policy, increasing health literacy and personal skills, building supportive environments, and strengthening community actions. Prevention programs aim to do just that, prevent problems before they begin. Once risk and protective factors have been identified, prevention scientists design and test prevention programs using complex statistical techniques to see if the programs work. There are three main types of prevention programs. Universal programs are designed to be delivered broadly to an entire population, like all sixth grade youth. Selective programs have a narrower focus and target those who are at higher risk for problem behaviors, like youth from families of divorce. And finally, there are indicated programs, which target individuals who are already exhibiting early signs of the problem behavior, such as early signs of depression or aggression. These categories correspond to another framework that you may be more familiar with, Positive Behavior Interventions and Support, PBIS. Primary prevention equals universal prevention. Secondary prevention equals selective and indicated prevention. So let's recap. Prevention science is just that, a science. We collect data to confirm observable results just as we do in any other branch of science. Prevention science is rooted in the public health approach that aims for large-scale, long-term impact by targeting the underlying causes of a health problem. Prevention programs are designed and tested to ensure they are effective and do not have unintended negative consequences.